Exporting data from QuickBooks Desktop is useful when you need invoices, bills, journal entries, customers, vendors, items, or old records for reporting, cleanup, backup, or review. In this video, I'll show how to export bulk QuickBooks Desktop data using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. I'm using invoices as an example, but the same workflow works for other QuickBooks Desktop data too. First, open your QuickBooks Desktop company file and keep it running in the background. Then open SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. Since we want to take data out of QuickBooks Desktop, click Export. Now you'll be on the Export screen. First, choose the QuickBooks type you want to export. For this example, I'm selecting Invoice. Next, choose the date type. You can export based on the available date option, like transaction date, created date, or modified date. Now select the From and To dates. You can choose Custom Range too. This helps you export only the records you need. Next, choose the Export template. You can use the SaasAnt template or create a custom template if you want only specific fields in your export file. To create one, click the Add option near the template field, choose the fields you need, and save it. This is useful when you want the same export format again for reporting, cleanup, or client review. If you want to narrow down the data further, open the Filter tab. Open the Filter tab if you want to export only specific records. Use Account to export records linked to a particular account. Use Customer to export records for one selected customer. Use Reference Number to export records within a specific transaction number range. Use Status to export records based on status, like All, Open, or Paid. Once you choose the filter value, click Add or Update Filter. Then click Search to pull the matching records from QuickBooks Desktop. Next, open the Settings tab to control how the export file should appear. Once the settings are ready, go back to the Search tab and click Search. SaasAnt will now pull the matching records from QuickBooks Desktop. You'll see the results on the screen with the total record count. Review the data once, select the records you want to export, then choose Excel or CSV and click Download. SaasAnt will save the exported QuickBooks Desktop data to your system. Now you can use the file for reporting, backup, client review, cleanup, or bulk edit workflows. You can also schedule export if you want the export to run automatically. Choose the frequency, set the time, and select the export mode. This is useful when you need the same QuickBooks Desktop report exported daily, weekly, or on a regular schedule. That's it. This is how you export bulk data from QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. If you regularly work with QuickBooks Desktop data, SaasAnt helps you export it faster in a clean, structured format.